Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Alana and I live in this 2006 Honda Accord. I've been traveling full-time basically since February of 2023 and it is now Thanksgiving, November of 2023, and it is time for a deep clean of my entire car. So we're going to take care of everything in here, including the trunk, reorganize it all, take some measurements to order some new storage containers. I'm really excited. Let's go. Looks like my grandma's dog is ready to help. Alrighty, I have arrived in my grandma's garage. Quite frankly, I don't know where to start because there is so much stuff in my car. So I think I'm gonna start by tearing out all of my laundry and starting my laundry in the wash. It's a good place to start. Oh wait, first we should start with before and after footage. So the driver's seat is good, but then you come over here, we have my power station box, all this crap on my bed. I don't even know, like, wow, you can see the dust floating around. That's delicious. And then if you look down over here, there's just a bunch of random stuff underneath that backpack that I need to deal with. And then there's this. I don't even want to, yeah. I don't know if those are clean, so those are gonna get washed.
You kind of scared me. I forgot that there's another living being in here. Come here, cutie. Are you like, what the heck is happening? Why am I out here? You're so sweet. Oh, honey. I feel like dealing with all this shit.
Alrighty, I got the first load of laundry drying. The second load of laundry is washing. We have a giant bag of trash that all came from inside my car. I'm pretty embarrassed by how much trash I've gotten out of here. But we're on to the trunk. This should honestly be an advertisement for Honda as to like how much stuff you can fit in your trunk. But there's all this stuff that I've taken out. And then I'm trying to puzzle it back inside. So I already have my food bucket and then my kitchen. You can't see anything in here. It's such a mess. You can see back here my food crate, my fun box, and then my kitchen box are all back in here and organized. And now I'm just trying to pick up the piddly pieces and finish my trunk so that then I can go back to the fun part of my car. I really hate dealing with my trunk. Like, I'll get it done though, don't worry. Okay, I have completely washed out my ice chest and the containers that I keep in my ice chest, and I'm letting that dry, but everything else in my trunk is squared away and ready to go. I refilled all of my water containers with nice, fresh filtered water. My kitchen and my food is all organized, and I cleaned out any of the food that might have been kind of stale and from a few months ago. But I'm feeling pretty good with the trunk, so now it's time to move up here. Okay, I ended up removing my entire bed. I don't know if you can tell from that angle, but there you go. That's the foam. That's the other foam. And then the containers that are under here used to store my winter clothing because I would travel in my car in the summer, But now I'm about to travel in my car in the winter, so I took all of my clothing containers inside. And now my next task is to finish my laundry and then sort through all of my clothes, put all of the summer clothes that I don't see myself wearing in the container that goes in the back right there, like in this back spot. And then this front one will still have some winter gear like gloves and hats and things that I still want like easily accessible, but I don't use all the time. And then I'll try to put most of my winter clothes actually in my drawer system that goes behind my driver's seat. So let's go inside. Yikes. Alrighty, good morning. It is now the next day. I passed out and went to sleep last night, but I have all of my clothes washed and packed, so it is time to remake my bed, which is not very much of a bed right now. I'll just start by throwing all of this back here. Oh, okay. That side with the winter clothes towards the front. Because this is the easiest part to access when it's actually in my car. It's really hard to access whatever's in the back. So I put whatever I don't think I need back there. Next, in here. And on the floorboard. Then I store my yoga blocks right here because they just fit perfectly. And this random piece of wood from my grandma goes right over there. Then shove this pillow up there. How does this go? I cut one side. I think that's the side that goes with this. Yeah, because that's the side that sticks out. Alrighty, the bed's made. I got my clothes loaded back in here and my technology bag slid back in. Now I think what I'm gonna do is load the last little pillowy stuff and get on the road so that I can get to where I'm going before sunset, but I'll stop somewhere along the way and show you guys the final result.